Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use Google Play Store or Google Chrome or any other browser in Motorola Moto G73. So first let's try to open the Google Chrome. If we refresh any website or try to reach anything new like YouTube, there's this problem. And now moving on to Google Play Store, if we try to download something like Reddit, it starts in a pending mode and it's stuck like this forever. Now if you want to fix both of these problems, you will need to open your settings on a phone and right here, then scroll all the way down and enter System, Date and Time, and set time automatically. From here, your problems should be fixed and we can install Reddit. It actually begins now, and we can also refresh YouTube, and it also works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.